I think most of us would agree that the crypto train is alive and well. But if you're anything like me, then you might feel a little bit overwhelmed, and maybe you even have a fear of missing out. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to buy cryptocurrencies using one of my favorite finance platforms, SoFi, and I'll even show you how you can use your credit card rewards points to buy cryptocurrencies. Alright, let's jump right into it. What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So I have made a full review on the SoFi Crypto platform, and in that video I did quickly walk through how to buy cryptos within the app. So we will be brushing up on that process in today's video, but several things have changed since I made that original review, including the addition of several more cryptocurrencies, some awesome educational resources, and of course the ability to buy cryptos with your credit card rewards points. So first, let's brush up on how to set up your SoFi Crypto account and fund it, and then we'll talk about some of those awesome new features. So like we talked about in my full review, SoFi Crypto is a free extension of the already free SoFi investing account. So if you don't already have a SoFi investing account, then you'll definitely want to go ahead and open one of those up, and I will leave a link in the description where you can get $25 of a stock of your choice when you open your SoFi Invest account, and you will help support my channel, which I seriously appreciate so much. Okay, so once you've opened up your SoFi investing account, you want to navigate to the investing tab at the bottom of the screen within the SoFi app. So as I've talked about in previous videos, I keep like 90% of my investments in Wealthfront because that platform is fully automated. But for the purposes of today's demo, I've moved about $1,000 into my SoFi Invest account. So if you haven't yet set up your crypto investing account, then you can actually click on the Create New Account button, and there will be an option for your crypto account, and you can go ahead and follow the prompts and get that set up. But once you have done that, you'll see this individual crypto investing option, and if we click on that, you can see that at the moment I have $0 in here. So if we click the Add Cash button, I'm going to move another $1,000 into my SoFi crypto account, and the great thing about all of this is that you can pull that money right from your SoFi Money account if that is a product that you have, meaning this transfer is going to happen a lot faster than if you were pulling that money from an external bank account. So this probably goes without saying, but buying into the entire SoFi ecosystem is really awesome for a number of reasons, plus every product that they offer is completely free. Alright, so now that we've opened our crypto account and funded it, we're now going to click on the search icon and select crypto at the top of the screen. And this is where a lot of things have changed recently, and one of the first big updates that I want to show you. So when this crypto platform first launched, they really only had like 5 cryptos available for purchase, and when I made my original review a few months ago, I think they had just added a handful of other cryptos. But at the time of recording this video, I believe they are just shy of 30 cryptos that are available for purchase, with a ton of others that you are actually able to monitor the price of right within the SoFi app. So you can currently buy a lot of the big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you can also purchase some lesser known coins like Chainlink, Cardano, and even Dogecoin, which I guess isn't necessarily a lesser known crypto at this point. Unfortunately, no Shiba Inu coin at the time of recording this, but I am sure that that is something that they are frantically working on. So from here, buying cryptocurrencies is pretty self-explanatory, but you're going to select the one that you're interested in buying. So in this case, let's say I want to buy some Cardano. So I can click the Buy Now button, type in either the dollar amount or the number of Cardano coins that I would like to purchase, and it's going to tell me what that translates to in US dollars, obviously. Then I can click the Review button, and then click the Buy button at the bottom of the screen, and there you go, you just purchased your first cryptocurrency. Now, I do want to let you know that SoFi is going to charge you a 1.25% fee on all crypto purchases and transactions, and I'll be completely honest with you, that is kind of high when compared to some competitors. But keep in mind that even the largest crypto trading platforms like Coinbase do still charge a fee, with the option to get things like Coinbase Pro in order to reduce those fees. But again, the point of something like SoFi is to just dip your toe in the water, get familiar with the space, and hopefully have some fun, make some money without risking a ton of your hard-earned money. So yes, 1.25% sounds like a lot, but actually if you look at the many competitors in this space, their fees are actually going to be right around that, and unfortunately, that seems to be the standard within many of these crypto platforms, although there certainly are ones that are completely free. I will say though, if you're investing your money in cryptocurrencies, which could fluctuate in price 100% in a matter of minutes, then I feel like a 1.25% fee isn't that big of a deal. Okay, so next up, if we go back to the discovery page and scroll over to the collection section, there's another interesting tab called Companies Holding Bitcoin. And this is just something that I found recently, but really I think it's incredibly interesting, and it's actually going to show you a list of publicly traded company stocks that have significant Bitcoin holdings. So if you truly believe in the system and the blockchain and you want to invest in mainstream companies and stocks that are investing in cryptocurrencies, and in this case Bitcoin, then this is a really easy way to do just that. So obviously we all know that Tesla is pretty heavily invested in Bitcoin, so you can literally click right on this from this menu, and you can now not only purchase your cryptocurrencies from the app, but you can also purchase stocks of companies that are buying cryptocurrencies as well. Alright, but going all the way back out to the main menu now, the most unique part about the whole SoFi ecosystem at the moment is the ability to buy cryptos with your SoFi credit card rewards points. Now, allow me to clarify, I am not saying that you are buying cryptos with a credit card. That is horrible. I hope that that is not even possible or is illegal, and I would never suggest anything like that in a million years. But what I am saying is the cashback that you get with your SoFi credit card is given to you in the form of points, and those points can actually be used and redeemed for cryptocurrencies. So if we go to the credit card tab, which is at the bottom of the screen in the middle, there's two important things that I'll point out here. First of all, I have a $4 balance that I have to pay off immediately because we never want to carry a balance on our credit cards. So let's just go ahead and pay that off before it even shows up on my statement. And now that I'm debt free, I want to go ahead and draw your attention to the points button towards the top of the screen. So you can earn points in a number of ways, but obviously the easiest way to do that with the SoFi credit card is by making purchases and earning those points. But that is not the topic of today's video, but as you can see, I currently have over 300 points in here. So if I click the redeem button, it's going to give me a few different redemption options, one of which being crypto investing. So I can select that, click next, type in how many points I would like to redeem, and then it is going to allow me to pick what crypto I would like to invest this money in. So in the case of SoFi, 1 point is worth 1 penny, therefore my 300 points is only worth about $3, but that does mean that this is literally going to take my cash back that I earned by spending money on my credit card and building my credit score, and directly invest that back into cryptocurrencies, all from within the same app on my smartphone. And if you ask me, that is a really cool and unique feature that I've personally not seen anywhere else. Alright, and the last thing that I want to show you that I have talked about before, but I think is really important, is if you go back to the investing tab and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, there's actually a section called SoFi Learn. And under there's actually an article titled, What is Cryptocurrency? And if you made it to this point in the video, then I have a feeling that you already know most of this stuff, but this is a really great resource that gives you a brief history on a number of popular cryptos, and also gives you links to a ton of other really cool articles from SoFi about cryptocurrencies. So I get that SoFi Learn might not be the most exciting thing in the world, but I do feel that staying well informed, especially with something like cryptocurrencies, is so important because things can change very, very quickly, as we have all learned. So there you go. In a matter of minutes, you can literally go from having no stake in cryptos to opening and funding your accounts and investing in your first cryptocurrency right from your smartphone. Now, obviously, I'm aware that there are a million different cryptos to invest in and crypto platforms to choose from, and truthfully, SoFi probably is not the best because it is so limited in terms of how many cryptos you can buy. But I would again argue that it all goes back to the SoFi ecosystem and how fast and easy it is to transfer funds, buy those cryptocurrencies, and even use the SoFi credit card rewards points to purchase cryptos. So if you're going in headfirst with cryptocurrencies and you're putting a lot of money into it, then no, SoFi is probably not the right platform for you. But if you have a fear of missing out and you're already a SoFi customer and you just want to dip your toe in the water, then this is probably the easiest way to get started. But as always, I'm just a guy on the internet and I don't know anything. So do your own research and find a platform that is going to work for you and your financial goals. So I would love to know what you think of the SoFi crypto platform down in the comment section below, and what cryptocurrencies you are currently keeping your eye on or would like to see SoFi add to their crypto platform. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, the easiest way to do that is actually by checking out some of my favorite financial tools down in the description below, many of which will give you some free money when you sign up, including one offer from the Point Cashback Debit Card that will currently give you $100 when you open your account and make your first purchase. So definitely check that out using the link link down below. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. And of course, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.